think it might be. So, okay, this is a video now. We're going to trade a Gartley pattern. If you've been reading the blog and clicked on the video link, here we go. Now, this is a perfect Gartley pattern on the Dow Jones. We're on the 11th of May, okay? And you can see that we've completed a beautiful ABCD and Gartley pattern. This is the 4-swing move, and you can see that we've hit two key ratios, 1.618 and the 786. For some reason, the 1.618 has moved. It should be there. That's better. And that's where it should be. It's not clicked on the right low there. So you can see these ratios coming together and have completed the pattern. We've gone up. This is a 4-hour chart. You can see this, 240 minutes. And we're looking to be a seller of this market at point D. So what I would be doing, the way I would trade this is a 4-hour chart. You can see we've had a run of green candles. So what I want to see either this candle turn red. If it stays green, I'm not going to sell it until we break below the low of this candle. So if you hover over the candle, you'll see that the readings over here, you'll see the readings, the high to the low. So I want to be a break of that low. The low is 24,485, okay, and the high is 24,575. That's 90 pips between the low and the high. So what I would be doing, I'd be selling at 5 points below the low with a stop loss 5 points above the high. So that's a total risk of 100 points. The profit objective on this will be the A, B, C, D to the downside, which is going to take us down. You see this red line down here, that's 23,000, okay? So let's just move forward one bar and see what unfolds. And straight away on the next bar, we're triggered into the trade. We've taken out the low of that candle and we're now triggered into the trade, okay? Now at this point, if you wanted to, you could get your stop to break even. Your break even is 480, it's at 395, it's 85 points in profit. It's depending on your appetite for risk. I would wait one more candle before I locked in, and there we go, there's your one candle. So you can lock in now at break even, or just lock yourself 20 or 30 pips if you like. If you just want to make sure you do, if it does turn sharply back, at least you get out with some profit, okay? So but lock at break even at worst, or lock yourself 20 or 30 pips profit. Don't leave it too close because you can get stopped out and then the market falls off the page. So okay, so we'll see what unfolds. The target's down here at 23,000. We're risking 100 pips. We've got in at 24,480. So it's nearly 15 to 1 reward to risk on this, folks, if it works. So let's have a look what happens. You can see now we've already snapped back. So you're thinking, oh my. And then we've gone a bit higher, but now we're reversing down. And we're still coming down. I've taken these lows out. That's looking good then. Now you could probably say you could lock above there, but I'll get one more candle. So yeah, lock up about, lock yourself 50 pips in, something like that. Lock 50 and lock it in at 430 for the time being. That gives you a bit of room above these highs just in case. Okay. Oh, and there. Now, oh, now that's lovely. Look at that. Now she's fell off the screen. So that's terrific. So then you'd lock in above the high of this wide-ranging candle. If it gets above that high, that's bullish, isn't it? So lock above that. That's 250. Lock above 250. Yeah, you're in at 480. You've locked 230 pips profit there. Oh, okay. So just let it run. That's the swing back. Now I suppose you could lock above this high now. Lock above the high of that. That high is 23,879. So we've locked in. That's just near 600 pips there, haven't you? And then we're getting down towards this target, and boom, there you are. There's your target at 23,000. So that's made your 1,480 pips profit, folks, in a couple of days. Okay, so that's a strategy for trading the candle. Let the market take out the low of the candle that makes the pattern, completes the pattern, and that gets you into the trade. And then you know what your risk is straight away. You risk 100 pips. If it suddenly reverses, that's all your risk is. But when you get a runner like this, you've got a 15 to 1 runner. That pays for 15 losing trades. Losing trades, folks. So hope this helps you, and see you in the next video.